Okay, this is the front one. I want to go and sew the facing to it. I join the facing to it. So you can see this is the wrong side. You can see my marking. This is the wrong side of the fabric, but it's the front part of the top. So this is my facing for it. So this is the right side. I'll put the right side on this wrong side. I'll put it like this and go and sew it. I'll open this up because of the slit. I'll open up this, I'll trim this because of the slit. So I'll go and sew it like this. Then after that, I will now turn it to the right side like this. Turn it to the right side. I'll do it and show you. Okay, so I've joined the facing to the main bodies to neckline. I can see because I put it on the wrong side and go and join it. After doing that, I now top stitch on the main fabric, not on the facing. I put the seam on this side, the main fabric side, and top stitch. So after doing that, I now turn it to the right side. And now turn it to the right side and iron. From the inside, I top stitch from here to this point. From here to this point. Then I now iron it. I iron from inside also, from here also. Then I iron this. And this place, I will stitch on this line like this. I iron this line also, you can see, because I'll stitch on it. So what I'll do next now, I did the same on the back one. So what I'll do is to join the two shoulders together, the front one and the back one together. So I'll put it together like this. This is the right side and this is the right side of the back one. So I'll put them together like this and hold it, match the two lines here. So I'll go and join it like this and make sure that the two lines are on the same line. So okay, I've joined the shoulder together. I've joined the front one to the back one. After joining it, I now opened it and iron. I did the same on the other side. So I'll now turn it now. So what I'm going to do now, I'll use pin to hold this and go and join stitch on this. Stitch on this line and also on the back one. But I'll use pin to hold it very well. I'll do it and show you. Okay, you can see I've stitched this facing to the main fabric here, this line. I also did the same on the back one. So now, what I'll do is to reshape my armhole. You can see the facing, SS on the facing, and this is my shoulder measurement. I will reshape it. Then I will reshape it like this, even here. You see, the front armhole. You see, I will reshape it. Then after that, okay, this is my placket. So I iron the stay on it also. I join it because of the design that I want here. So it's 14 inches. You can make your own longer if you want. Then is 5 inches this side. So but after sewing it, it will be 2 inches, because I'll show you, but 2 inches, or I might reduce it to 1 3/4 after sewing 1.75. But if I should reduce it to 1.75, that means that I'll make the width 4.5. So after sewing it, it will be 1.75. So I will show you how to do it. Okay, this is my placket. I'll go and sew it like this. I'll use half inch to join it like this. Then after doing that, but I'll make sure that this line is in the middle. After doing that, after joining it like that, I will also sew it like this. I'll do it and come and show you. Okay, this is the placket. So I've joined it on this line. After that, I trim it. So then I now put it like this and sew on this line. That's what I did on this side. So now I will turn it. So I will turn it to the right side. So I'll go and iron it and show you. Okay, I'll open it like this. This is my placket. I've ironed it. So now I'll go and sew the placket on it. So but I want the design, I want to use this side facing up, but this one is facing down. I'll use it like this. I'll make sure that this line is in the middle. I'll put it like this. This is the closed edge. It will be on top of this side, or it will be here. Then this one will be on this side. So I'll now sew it from here. I'll make sure that it's straight. Sew it from here to this point. When I get to this point, I might fold it like this and sew it like this to this point, or I'll fold it like this. I'll fold it like this and sew to this point like this to this point here, and then I'll go inside. I'll stitch it like this. I'll do it and show you. Okay. I've sewed the placket to the top, so I started from here. What I'll do when I finish, I'll fix this pressing button here. I'll fix pressing button here when I finished, like this. This pressing button, I'll fix it there. So then I'm going to fix the sleeve now, but I will get the shoulder first before I'll fix the sleeve. So I'll hold this side together, the bottom part. So this is the shoulder. I will notch it, and this one I'll fix my sleeve there. I'll also notch this one. So this is the sleeve, because I want to fix the sleeve. After fixing the sleeve, I will now join this side, but this is the sleeve. This is the sleeve. Before I'll fix the sleeve, I'll fold it first. After folding it, before I will now fix it. So I ironed this line 1/2 inch, then I folded this 1.5 inches, because I have this is 2 inches seam allowance. So I don't want to sew thread on it. I want to use this hemming gum or hemming web. I want to use it to, I'll put it under here. Once I iron it, it will melt. It's like gum, fabric gum. I'll put it under here and cover this. I'll bring it closer to this point. I'll put it and iron it. So after doing that, I'll now fix the sleeve. So I'll do it and show you. This is the sleeve. I've ironed the hemming gum on it. So this is the right side. So after doing that, I'll fix the sleeve. So now what I'll do now is to shape the top. So I'll mark, because I have 1 inch seam allowance here, I'll mark 1 inch. I'll mark 1 inch, or then I'll use 1 inch to join it to this point. This is 9.5 inches. So this 9.5, this 9.5 is for my slit. I'll have a slit here, slit on the both side. So 2.5 inches is for turning this one, for hemming. So I will now sew it from this point to here. So after that, I'll use this hemming gum again to fold this side. Then after that one, I will now fold half and 2 inches and iron this hemming gum on it again. So I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, I've finished the top. This is it. I've fixed pressing button also. This is the front, so this is the back. So this side I use a hemming gum on this side to fold it. I use hemming gum and also on this side, but you can use you can sew your own on your machine. You can sew your own like this one. I use machine on this sleeve. This slit I use machine also, and the see I use machine to do it. So this blanket is different from this one. There are so many ways you can sew. This one, I started this one from inside. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We have a lot to do on this channel. We have a lot. Subscribe to my channel, please. These are the pictures. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumb up. Like, share and subscribe, please.